back to another web page vulnerability through Kali Linux, the application we have created for you guys to practice safely ethical hacking. And hopefully you enjoyed the SQL injections video which we did for you guys. And today we'll be doing hidden dictionaries, but we'll be using GoBuster. I'll explain more about it, what it is. What is GoBuster? GoBuster is the directory brute forcing tool that uses word lists to discover paths not visible to main websites. But you can also use not GoBuster, but you can also use SQL injections. I'll show you in a minute how to use GoBuster, and I'll show you how you could use SQL injections to get certain information. So let's start with this video. So we have a mission brief, right? Your mission is to uncover sensitive files hidden in a directory. So we also give you a hint for you what to use. So use tools like GoBuster to brute force the directories or files starts with the word list. For example, /user, which will be the user which your Kali Linux machine is named or where your stuff is stored, right? So it will be user /share/word list /common.txt, which you can download from seclist, right? I'll show you guys how to find it. Go to GitHub or seclists on GitHub and you find majority of the code, just download it and you can run it through that way. So if you do not see the expected results, verify that the files, e.g. these ones, right, exist in your word list. You can add them using Nano or any text editor, right? So a good example will be if you need to use Nano to make something, literally just type in Nano, let's say, because this is from Hydra, when we're doing Hydra test, and you can literally type and then you press Control O to save, then Enter to confirm the name, and then Control X to exit, right? But we're not going to do that. And right, so let's firstly do it the SQL way, right? So this is the target, this is the files we have to find, right? These are not password protected, so they add the following lines into the word list and then save it. Then you can use GoBuster, which I'll show you in a minute how to use it. But just to prove that example, you could use, let's say, whack.env. Just as simple as that. This is literally a SQL injection. Will it show? Yes, it did. This is how simple in a world of ethical hacking stuff can be sometimes, and it can be very, very overlooked through many companies, and it can expose crucial, and I mean crucial, information. So be careful what you do, because you can get in really, really big trouble if you're not. Anyway, let's get back to the main topic. So we're going to be using GoBuster. Nope, that's the server running. So we're going to do GoBuster because I already typed it in. So it'll be GoBuster dr-u. But I'll explain more to you guys what it does mean so you guys do not get, So after you got GoBuster running, so the demonstration of a basic command, right, will be GoBuster dr-u, the URL, right, /hidden, the one you're trying to investigate, space W, and then the line where your code is stored, right? So explanation of the flags. The -u means URL of the target, right? This is why we put the -u at the B after the dr, because this is our target, which we'll be targeting. And -w, paths to the word list. So this will be where your word list is stored, right? My one is stored somewhere else, but just for the example of this video, I made a different file, stored it in here, just to show you how it would look like. But this bit, depending where you saved it, this is where your path is going to be. So after you type that comment out, I forgot, sorry. Why do I put dr there? Dr is directory brute forcing mode, basically. But after that, you typed it, you just press enter and see if it finds it. Literally already found it. Look at that. Perfect. What we wanted. So, drawbacks. Not all common TXTs will have the files you're trying to look for. So in the future, when you download this website, make sure your common.txt has them already in the code. If not, you can use nano or cat to open it, check it if it is there. If not, then use nano and then edit it and just put them free, and then it'll work successfully, obviously. Or you can make your own one. So yeah, hopefully now we have these. So what you can do, we can do copy it, go to the browser, do whack, paste it, T, and then bam, found it. Piece of cake, right? But be careful. This can expose a lot of crucial, stuff of companies. So do this safely. I do not condone any red hat, bad hat hacking, basically. This is just for educational purposes only. So use out your own will and at your own risk. Be safe about it. Don't be stupid. All right? So have a great day. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.